What if I told you an AI company just turned old MRI machines into powerful diagnostic tools, unlocking hidden details about heart disease that doctors couldn't see before? That breakthrough just sent Tempus AI stock soaring nearly 14% in a single day. Hey all, welcome to ShareTech, where science meets investments, and I'm your host Raj. Tempus AI, ticker symbol TEM, just secured FDA 510K clearance for an updated version of its Tempus Pixel platform. This isn't just a routine medical device clearance. We are talking about AI-driven cardiac imaging that could fundamentally reshape how heart disease gets diagnosed. Here's why this is a big deal. Standard MRI scans rely on brightness differences, basically shades of gray. It works, but it's like looking at a black and white photo when you really need full color. Tempus Pixel goes deeper. It takes raw MRI data and generates T1 and T2 maps at pixel level, numerical tissue maps. These reveal fibrosis, inflammation, or fluid buildup, conditions that standard imaging often misses. The real innovation is that Pixel doesn't depend on the MRI scanner itself having the mapping capability. As long as the machine can capture raw data, Pixel can extract new layers of information, almost like a translator pulling meaning out of images that were always there but invisible before. Chris Cotto-DiVetta, who heads Tempus imaging business, put it best. This gives cardiologists and radiologists a comprehensive view of cardiac tissue. When it comes to catching heart damage early, that's potentially life-saving. Now let's connect this to the bigger business picture. Tempus has been on a tear. In Q2, revenue jumped 90% year over year to $314.6 million, mainly from its genomic testing business. But underneath that headline growth, the company has been steadily building out AI diagnostics. Back in 2022, Tempus acquired Arterys, which already had FDA-approved AI imaging software. More recently, they acquired Paige, gaining access to nearly 7 million labeled pathology slides. Put it all together, genomics, pathology, and imaging, and Tempus is creating one of the largest multimodal healthcare data platforms anywhere. Analysts are noticing too. H.C. Wainwright just started coverage with a $90 price target, pointing out that Tempus is actually scaling AI in a space where many competitors stumble. And so this latest FDA clearance isn't just a one-off win. It validates Tempus's strategy of using multimodal data to deliver precision medicine at scale. With regulatory wins stacking up, momentum in AI imaging, and one of the largest healthcare data sets in the world, Tempus is positioning itself as a real leader in AI healthcare. The investor question now is, can this momentum last? Cathie Wood's ARK fund has already trimmed its position into the rally, but if you're bullish on AI in medicine, Tempus is definitely a stock to keep on your radar. Friends, thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, can you please subscribe and help me grow this channel and our retail investor community? Well, that brings me to an end of this video. I'll catch up with you again in the next one. Bye for now.